In the following demonstration, FITA will provide an insight into best practice installation techniques taught on training courses using a wide range of products kindly supplied by our sponsors.
In this demonstration, I'm going to be looking at how to install luxury vinyl tiles, also known as LVT floor coverings. They're a designer product, and with this, it really is, the imagination is your limitation. You can create bespoke designs, you can have straight lane, you can incorporate names, pictures into these floors. They really are a phenomenal product. There's various systems for installing. We've got the dryback version, which we're going to be fully adhering to the subfloor. You've also got underlay systems. Make sure you use the recommended underlay from various manufacturers. You also have the interlocking tiles as well, known as click LVTs. As you can see on the stand, I've got products from AW, which is the Invictus floor coverings, and I've also got Carning's Van Gogh, Carning's Night Tile, and again the Invictus tiles. So now I've got my centre line down, I'm going to be installing the AW's Invictus Maximus. I'm just going to check across the area, and once I get to the cut or the rip cut, I want just over half a tile going in. I can either do this with the planks in this area, or I could use a tape measure on bigger areas. So we can see on the edge, I've got a nice big rip cut going in, and as long as I'm centralised, that will be balanced both sides. Whenever we're fitting Stripwood flooring, we've got to make sure that we're working to a random stagger. I don't want any end cuts, generally smaller than the width of a plank, or check with manufacturer. I don't want any staircases in the floor. I don't want any headers that are corresponding on the rows. The best thing to do is always take a step back as you're fitting, just to make sure, because down here I don't see a lot. Once I'm stood back, I do see a bit more. I'm just going to take a bit of waste, strap that onto the joints and the planks. That's going to make sure that they're in line and stable for the rest of the installation. So once I've done all my end cuts, I can now start working down the length walls. That's what's called a rip cut. Again, watch your positioning. Describe the ending. It's all I need to do is use the width of a plank to scribe down.
For more information on this video or to book on a FITA course, all the links are in the bio.